तुम्ही आज श्रीलंका मेळपाक गेल्ले सी फेरराक लागून
Indian seafarers residing in the state of Goa, and there is one ship, cruise ship, Karnika by name, by Jalesh Cruises Mauritius. This ship is carrying 100 Goan seafarers. हे जे आमचे गोंयकार कोण junior accountant, barman, waiters, cooks, chefs, assistant cook, सगळे फ्लोर सुपरवायझर, सगळे हे काम करपी 100 जाण have come by sea and they are offshore of Goa. Now to bring them directly inside, we do not have the authority. There are MHA guidelines. MHA guidelines dille ha. They have to follow protocol. Now their disembarkment is in Mumbai. So they have to get down in Mumbai, and quarantine facility is there in Mumbai for them, 14 days. They have to get quarantined there, and they will give them certificate after 14 days that they are fit. Means they are negative for COVID-19. Coronavirus negative certificate tenka te ditale. We will send the buses from Goa to Mumbai to pick them up from there, and we will bring them to Goa and check them again for COVID-19, whether they are positive or negative, and then they have to go back again for quarantine in their houses. That is again 14 days over here. This is the protocol to be followed. So the ship which is come here, we cannot allow it to be come to MPT or even to Goa port. So the letter, their request letter had come to captain of ports, which had come to my department. From there we send it to secretary, and we send it to chief secretary, and after that it will come to me. So but chief secretary, myself and honorable chief minister had a meeting. So how do we go about with this? Directly they cannot come here, because 100 people to quarantine, right now we do not have that facility and all the other protocols. So because of that, their disembarkment is in Mumbai, so they have to go back to Mumbai. The ship has to go back to Mumbai, disembark there. They will quarantine them. They will receive them over there. Immigration will receive them, quarantine facility over there, and then after 14 days we'll bring them to the state of Goa.
पण आता परमिशन मिळेल मुंबई वचपाक.
Yeah, they have permission for Mumbai.
मुंबईची परमिशन
Mumbai, they wanted to
गो
directly
गेट डाउन टू गो.
yeah, the Goan seafarers.
ओके.
So right now we do not have that facility over here.
All hundreds are gone.
100 are gone, but remaining there are 500 crew members. The remaining are of Mumbai, Maharashtra side and all this. So they will get down there.
तर ते कम्युनिकेट करतले क्रुजाक तुम्ही मुंबई.
Yeah, today only we will communicate to the crews that they have to go to Mumbai and follow the protocol there of MHA guidelines and
14 days
quarantine in Mumbai. And once they come to Goa, there we will check them. The minute they are negative, quarantine at home. So we will send them to their houses, but they have to stay 14 days quarantine in their house, or depends, even 21 days quarantine in their house. This is what is being decided.
असे 7,000 समथिंग क्रू.
If they are coming by ship, they come up to Mumbai, disembark in Mumbai, quarantine in Mumbai, then we will bring them to Goa. Supposing Ministry of Home Affairs, that is MHA, gives us any other guidelines, which we are going to speak on 11th to Honorable Prime Minister, that the charter flight can land straight into Goa to bring our Goan seafarers, then we will have to do quarantine facilities in Goa. Direct quarantine for them. So bring them, quarantine them. Anybody is found positive, straight into the COVID hospital, or whoever is negative, quarantine for 21 days. It depends. Either it is 14 days or 21 days. It depends on the country which they have come from.
गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाची कॅपॅसिटी असा इथली सगळे आयल्यार
See, we have taken a lot of hotels for quarantine and also some schools, government primary schools or high secondary schools for quarantine. But so come down to Goa, or if we fly them down to Goa, or whether they are going to tell them to disembark in Mumbai, get quarantine and then come over here and we check them back again over here and give them quarantine at home.